Welcome to JC. It's a great day to be a Jet. Are you looking to boost your GPA as the high-achieving student you are, but burnt out from a tedious workload and unengaging educators? Then AP Biology might be the course for you. Come on, let's go! Welcome to Upstairs C-Pod and the lovely class in question. AP Biology is a 2-semester course. But don't let that turn you upside down.
I have other AP classes. Should I be concerned about the workload? What?
Typically, there's 1 or 2 Schoology assignments per week and a language of science quiz on Wednesday.
Even if you are one to procrastinate, Miss Haley gives you 10 minutes before each language of science quiz to do your last-minute studying.
If you're worried about hands-on learning experience in this class, don't fret, because there's plenty of activities and experiments you can indulge in.
You can even participate and make your own butter. And when your parents come home that day and ask you what you did at school, you can say, I made my own butter.
Hey, Kate, what'd you do at school today?
I made my own butter.
That's fantastic.
Hi, sir. How are you today? I heard you had some questions about AP Bio.
What are some other activities and labs you do in class?
Oh, you want to know about some of the labs we do? Well, that's a great question. Well, to start out, we use a photosynthesis lab with leaves, where we take droplets of the different leaf and put it into water and see how it reacts to different light and see if it floats or not. Another lab we do is surface tensions with pennies. We use different liquids such as oil, water, and vinegar and see how many droplets we can place on the penny until it falls apart. Another lab we do is also pipe cleaner folding labs, where we take pipe cleaners and beads and we fold them together to replicate what a potential protein would look like.
Throughout the year, you get many other opportunities for experiments. In molecular biology, Miss Haley takes you to Hudson Alpha to get more professional experience with biotechnology. And you get to miss school.
While the class spans over the course of a year, Miss Haley provides you practice FRQs to help refresh your memory and practice active recall so that you don't forget the earliest units.
This practice is kept in your FRQ journal. Additionally, Ms. Haley also gives you a packet of your old tests for you to study for the final and for the AP exam.
One great thing about Miss Haley's class is that she's very organized. She puts in grades immediately and the Schoology class is easy to use. One time, we had our test grades in before we even left the class.
Ms. Haley stays on top of Schoology and understands that students like to be updated, especially if a random ice week were to happen.
Miss Haley keeps her students prepared in other ways as well. Like in the front of our classroom, there's a weekly schedule which helps prepare students with their assignments for the week.
In the back of the class, there's a folder for missing assignments and all the packets and papers we did in class that day can be found.
All of those resources are something I found very helpful when having to miss school for cross-country and track meets.
What does a typical day in class look like?
Well, thanks for asking. To start out, Ms. Haley goes over a debrief of the day's lesson plan, followed by notes and a slideshow. After that, she's given a handout to all the students and work on together as a class or as a group.
Miss Haley offers many opportunities for students to raise their grades. For example, you can complete bonus questions up to the night before the test, and that adds at most 5 bonus points to your score. You can also complete test corrections for all the multiple choice, but not for the FRQs.
These opportunities can be helpful for students who want to learn more about biology but may struggle with the subject.
Let's go talk to some kids about AP Bio. Hi, I'm Kayla Willett. Welcome back to AP Bio.
I'm Katie, I'm in 11th grade.
And we're going to be asking some questions. All right, what is your favorite unit of AP Bio?
My favorite unit of AP Bio, I would have to say probably the evolution unit, only because I thought it was self-explanatory and easy.
That's what I like to hear.
How will AP Bio help you achieve your future goals?
AP Bio will allow me to exempt one of my general education requirements in college as I go on to pursue my nursing degree.
Hi, I'm here with
Sophia. Rihanna.
Okay, and we're going to ask some questions about AP Bio. Has this class help inspire you to pursue a STEM-related career?
Well, originally I wanted to do more of a psychology field, but then after doing the genetics unit in this class, I was more inspired to do a more genetics-focused career.
Very interesting, very interesting. There you have it. All right, another question. Why did you choose to take AP Bio?
Well, I really liked genetics and I wanted to go further into that.
There you have it, folks.
What was your favorite unit of AP Bio?
My favorite unit is probably the ecology unit.
Why? Cause it's less of like the small stuff with like so many details, and it was our last unit, so it made me happy.
There we go.
Hi, I'm here with.
Nayan.
What are some study tips for future students?
I would say pay really close attention to the AP Daily videos as well as Miss Haley's lectures. They are a great resource.
Why did you choose to take AP Bio?
Because it's one of the easier AP classes.
Alright, I'm here with.
Matthew Ponder.
And.
Isaac Achenbach.
Alright, and I'm gonna ask you, what is your favorite unit of AP Bio?
I would have to say it's definitely the natural selection and
Extinction.
extinction.
Very interesting. And
I
what
could
about you,
also
Sean?
say I love learning about natural selection and extinction.
How has this class benefited you?
It's my first AP science class, so it's giving me an experience in that, and it's giving me a college credit for my degree.
I'm here with Hannah, and we're gonna ask you, what has been your favorite part about AP Bio?
So my favorite part about AP Bio was all of like the group projects that we get to do together, like all the experiments, because it was really fun to just like engage in teamwork, and yeah.
Do you recommend this class to future students?
Yes, I do, because Miss Haley's a really good teacher and she's really nice.
What is your favorite unit?
Probably the unit where we learned about cellular respiration and photosynthesis. That was pretty gnarly.
And there you have it. It was pretty gnarly, folks.